girl Matt Cox with MA Couture Crafting. We are going to appreciate and celebrate another quilt. This quilt won Best in Show, and this person might be famous. I'm not 100% sure, but this series is all about celebrating and looking and taking a quick dive into some quilts that I think are just absolutely beautiful and inspiring and maybe different than what I do. I love quilting. I want to show it off. Let's do it. This first one is by Margaret Solomon Gunn. Let's see what we're doing here. All right. This is gorgeous. Again, Best in Show. I like that the shape is a little different. I obviously did not get the best picture, but don't worry. Now that I kind of know the format of this, we are going to do, we're going to do better. But we've got these wavy shapes here, which are beautiful. And I think it goes across the top and the bottom like that also. And then we have all of this beautiful detail. This color story feels very sophisticated. This is not a funky, what I would consider a funky quilt. But the quilting is absolutely superb. I wonder how this was planned. I wonder how this was done. I wonder how long this took. But let's go on ahead and check the video out, and then we'll talk about it a little bit more. I might stop through this video. We'll see. Okay, so this one here won Best in Show. And okay, now let's look at it. So I'm just okay. Let's just take a second. Okay, this is insane. I don't know how this blue is showing up right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a red, which I don't know if it's a stitch or if it is some type of rope, but there's red, then there's blue, and then there's this beautiful stitching that's going back and forth here. Then we've taken another break to connect this shape, and then this one, then we've broken it down, but then it gets really juicy right in here. Look at this. And then it switches back to a different direction. This is just Best in Show level thought. I mean, it's just so thoughtful. Then you come through here with the swirls, and this is using, I want to say, satin fabric, which is cool, which is very cool. This is an original design. Then check out this. It's just a little peekaboo right here. We've got some bead work. We've got more quilting right here. It's the trapunctoed areas are just supreme. Oh, I just get giddy. You guys know I get very giddy about quilts. I'm getting giddy. I'm going to take you across the quilt so that you can see the quilting. Tons and tons and tons of detail. Something else. These shapes were outlined in that darker thread color. It looks like it's 12 weight. It is amazing. It's such an idea to outline a shape and then really densely quilt it so that you still get this shadow, which is adding to that shadow of this shape right here. Oh, love it. Then we've got lace. I don't always love lace on a quilt, but here it absolutely works. And we've got some very thoughtful placing of rhinestones and pearls, I believe. One of the cooler things, I think, is how it's stitched on the outside of the shapes with a darker color thread. It's just a trick in drawing your eye in and depth. We've got rhinestones here. We've got crosshatch quilting there. We've got bead work, silk, and I figured I would just take a moment so that we can just admire how densely quilted this is, trapunctoed. And then it still adds a lot of depth with this slightly different color here in the center. And these beautiful, oh, the colors are just gorgeous. Look, they're not all the same color petal, which gives this quilt some more dimension. This might be all silk, actually. I also love how close I can get to this quilt. It is, again, one of the best in the show. This is the highest award that you can get at this show. I think this quilt is amazing. I love it, love it, love it. I am so thankful that I got a chance to share this quilt with you. You guys, let me know. Let's go on ahead. Actually, I shouldn't say let me know what you think of it, because I know that we're all going to be super positive on this series, and we are only going to say amazing things about people who have taken, I don't know how long, and their blood and their sweat and their really blood with the needles and things, but we are just going to celebrate this quilt. So celebrate this quilt with me. Celebrate. Let's appreciate this quilt. Tell me the things that I missed. Tell me what you see. Let's just share our quilty love, guys. All right. Thank you so much for joining this series. If you like it, let me know if you like this series, if you're going to look forward to seeing what quilts I have chosen to show. I see a lot of quilts, and there's some that are just so special. So let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, and please share. Those are ways that you can help support this channel. This channel needs all the support that we can get so that we can show everybody this quilty love and how awesome quilting is. I will catch you guys on the next one. All right. Bye-bye.